What's up guys, it's me Criminard and welcome to my channel cause today we are playing BloxFruits again. As you can see, now first I know that I have a ice power, and as you can see guys, I'm level 73 and I mastery is 48. So first I need 2 levels more to get iceberg power. So first I should try to earn this power, and let's literally do this. Let's literally do this. Okay, let's get the oh yeah, let's kill the brute, I guess. Let's just try to earn some of them. So I can get this power what I have dreamed for. Okay. Like okay guys, we did a break as you can see. Sorry. But I have some like in here. Some brain. I'm just trying to earn for a new power once at this game. I mean the iceberg, which is 50. Okay, now I did everything. I'm level 74, and let's just try to update. I don't remember how to call it. Anyways, there's something weird which I don't get the money. I don't know what is problem with this game, anyways. But I guess let's try to kill the Bobby guy. I didn't notice that. Yeah, that was a huge mistake. Okay, let's go back down. You shoot back up, man. I'm better than you. Why do you have a clown nose? Because he's a clown. That was just my biggest question. Why he has a nose, Okay. Okay, I just killed the guy, and I'm close to 50 level to get the iceberg. Let's just get the melee. Well, there's a golden chest. Okay, I have literally 100,000, bro. Like, there's literally too much. It's very much money. There's nothing there. I have literally so fucking much, bro. Like, look at this cash. Okay, now let's try to kill these guys again. Brute. Bro, how did I just die, bro? Like, I don't know. Let's kill them all again. Okay, I need to kill two people more at this game. Yeah. And then I guess I will get the iceberg mastery, Okay. Okay, I'm so close. I'm literally so close to get that one. I should kill them more. I should kill these guys more. I tried to kill these guys, the pirates, that is going to be easy level. I'm trying to earn for my iceberg power. Okay, I have to kill the egg. Like this. Oh, I just was wondering where he really is here. Okay. Yo, I got the iceberg power now. Okay, let's just kill this guy. Oh, the next power I really have. Now, this is pretty cool power, man. I didn't know that. Okay, you just take this one. Take that. Next one. And you are the next. This is pretty good when I got the ice power. Anyways, iceberg power. Okay, it just freezes the guy who comes and tries to kill me. Okay, I now understand this power, what it does. And I have 111,000, bro. There's literally so much money. I don't know, should I try to get the next fruit, bro? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. I just try to get the next fruit. And where is the jungle? Cause there I get out. There it is. I can buy the fruit, and that's the main place to go. Okay, I need some more rest. As you can see, my energy is pretty low, but it's growing. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Okay, let's go get some fruit, bro. I'm excited to get that. I hope this is not going to be bad fruit. I want to go check out from the shop. Is this enough good or bad? I just want to check out, bro. I'm excited to see what fruit I will get. Cause I want to get the next fruit, bro. I have been with the ice fruit for a long time. I have been for a long time. Like, I don't know, should I get that? When it's good, I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. Okay, let's get some fruit. Alright. Random fruit. I don't know, is this good enough? Oh, I'm not sure. Let's get the another fruit, bro. Then I did the next fruit, like... I must wait 1 hour. I mean, like 2 hours. I don't know, I guess this might be a bad fruit. I'm not sure, I'm not sure. Let's check out this front shop. Oh, I don't see anything. But I want to go to another village and check out. Is this enough good? I really want to check out that. I guess it might be this village. To check out the fruit. Or this village right there. I guess this might be the palm fruit, but I don't want to get it, just in case. Maybe it's very bad fruit, and I don't want to get that. I will get scammed. Okay, here's the fruit shop. Continue. Okay, this might be bad, as you can see. Yeah, ice is much better. Ice is much better power. And the sand, tar. Wow, dark power. This might be really good. Sold out. Magma power. Okay, I should try to earn some more. Maybe I can buy them. Out of stock. What do you mean? Is like sold out or something? I don't know. Well, I try to earn the strongest fruit in here at the shop. Maybe it's Quoke, the thing right here. Okay, I don't know. Let's just do random stuff. I don't know what to do in this place. Oh, there's the treasure chest. 903 coins. Okay. I don't know what to do. Let's just try to get a bigger size than me. Let's go to the another island. Let's go to this island there, okay? And kill the bad guys. I don't wanna. I'll like swing. Okay, I'll swing. Okay, so we are here and try to kill more bigger size than me. Okay. Shops and okay. Okay, let's get this to homeboy. Or okay, quests. Cali pirate. Oh, it's literally so big level. I can't kill them. I can't. Okay, let's just. Oh shit, take it easy, bro. I'm just trying to kill this guy. Oh, he's literally stuck here, bro. He's literally stuck here. Oh, I thought I can kill, but this katana tower is so dumb. I actually can save his. Bro, did I just lost my frig? I guess this was a bad power. Never mind. I just saved his life accidentally. Okay. Just leave this guy. Okay, he's in the river now. This means he's very stuck in the river. Oh yeah, take this one. Okay, I hope you reach here. Okay, I just killed him. I just killed him. And yeah, anyways. I'm gonna try to kill another guy. Okay, so here it is. I don't know who I want to kill another guy. But I guess this might be the next video, guys. And if you want to see the next video guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.